Solve for x in 5 to the power x times 25 to the power 2x minus 3, which equals 625. And we're only going to do it by hand because your graphics calculator is in exam mode, and in the exam you can't use that mode. Okay, so how do we do this by hand? First thing that I see is there's only one term on the left and one term on the right. I'll have to get my bases all the same. And in this case, I'll have to apply my exponent laws. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and see what do I have to get my bases as. And because it's a 5, I believe that I'll have to get that as 5s as well. So I'm going to say this is 5 to the power x times 25 is 5 squared. Please use brackets, otherwise you will make a mess. And then 625. Now I know that's going to be 5 to the power something. So I go 5 to the power 1 to the power 2 is 25 times 3 is 125 times 5 is 625. So that's 5 to the power of 4. Or you can use your little ladder method to get that out. Now I still can't do anything because I need one base this side and one base this side. So I'm going to combine this. I'm going to say this is 5 to the power x times, and all I'm going to do is anything to the power, I'm going to multiply that 2 with each one of those terms there. Okay, so that's going to give me 5 to the power, 2 times 2x is 4x, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and that equals 5 to the power 4. Now, if I'm multiplying bases, the same base, then I add the exponent. So it's going to be 5 to the power x plus, and I don't have to use a bracket because plus doesn't change anything at the top. So it's just going to be plus 4x take 6, which equals 5 to the power 4. Now that I have the same base, one thing on the left, one thing on the right, because the bases are the same, the exponents have to be the same. So I'm going to say x plus 4, therefore, can you see I don't have any extra equals there. I don't want to equals this. There's our equal signs in the middle. Because of this, therefore, x plus 4x minus 6 must equal 4. Because these are the same, this have to be the same. Okay, and x plus 4x is 5x. I'm going to add 6 on this side and I'm going to add 6 on the other side, or you can say the 6 goes over, it becomes positive because I'm adding. So that will give us 10, and now I will divide by 5 on the left, divide by 5 on the right, and 10 divided by 5 equals 2. You can always just check your answer if you put 2 in there. That one probably the easiest. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 25 to the power 1 is the same as 5 squared. That is 5 squared. 5 squared and 5 squared is 5 to the power 4. And I know I've got the right answer.